When we study angle measures, especially on a coordinate plane, it always has an initial side, which is like our starting point, and it opens our angle up to our terminal side. Our terminal side always shares a point with our initial side, and it can be considered like our end point for our angle. On a coordinate plane, they always share a point at our origin, and it's important to note that our initial side always begins at 0 degrees. So, looking at coterminal angles, this essentially means angles that share a terminal side. So let's take, for example, this angle measure here. It goes from 0 and opens up to 45 degrees. Now, when you think of circles, circles tend to go on forever and ever and ever, and in a way, so can their angle measures. If I take this terminal side, I can take it all the way over here to 180, 270, 360. But if I keep going, it doesn't start over. It actually goes beyond 360 degrees. If I were to land back here, I would land at 405 degrees. How did I get there? By going a full 360 plus an extra 45. Since 45 degrees and 405 or 405 degrees share a terminal side, we call these angles coterminal angles. In identifying coterminal angles, the goal here is not to figure out, how many revolutions did we take to get to 1,100 degrees? No, we're actually trying to figure out what does that angle measure represent if we compare it to an angle measure that's between 0 and 360 degrees.